COVID-19 machining part 2, and we are talking now about day 3 of being positive for COVID-19. Progress report, I'm feeling good. I woke up at 5:30 in the morning, about 7 solid hours of sleep, and felt very good. Not full of energy, ready to do jumping jacks or anything, but I am tempted to make some chips, some aluminum. Oh, maybe not. But we got a couple kind of announcement things, I guess. We got some stickers. Where are we at? Okay, up here. We got some stickers. Got a postcard from Istanbul. Actually from Queensland, Australia, the Sunshine Coast. This Queensland. Surfboards. I'd rather be at the beach that doesn't have a view of buildings, but I'm sure it exists. Mark Pressling. Yeah, let me see how many of his stickers do I already have. I guess I don't have any of his stickers. A lot of times, sometimes somebody will send me a sticker, their sticker, and if they have duplicates of somebody else's, they will pass it along. But I kind of thought I had one of these already. I think I just see him so often that I feel very comfortable with him. I think the first thing I saw him do was he was making maybe a collet, some kind of attachments to his Bridgeport or a milling machine, and was going to great pains to model a piece that would conform to the contour of the machine and have a very clean looking finish, and I believe powder coated as well. Mark Pressling, YouTube, very nice, very informative. I think he also shares a bit of the wildlife as well. I think I might have just got a message to see if I received these stickers or not. But it's Glen Easton, West Virginia. Kager machine. It's a wonderful sticker. It's got a great early 1900s, 1800s, probably 1800s lathe there with all the accessories. But yeah, check it out. The Tractor Boy, it might not be complete, may have, I think maybe he just got stickers, so I'm not gonna, I don't think we should overwhelm him and I'll request stickers, but he's acted on one of the links. I did get something that I have to share, and I'm going to pause the camera because this is like very special. I want to make it, I want to make it official. Okay. Oh, shoot. We're going to keep that live. Okay. I received a package today from Beaverton, Oregon, outside of Portland, Oregon. And, well, I need to learn how to put it on, but very, very durable. I don't know what they call that. It's not waxed or anything. It might be waxed. What do they call that? I'm not sure how to describe it. It's, you guys know what it is. It's got my name on it. It's got a couple flaps, and I kind of hinted that I wanted a machinist apron, and I figured my daughter-in-law was going to make one, and I was going to kind of hint that it might need, if it had front pockets, that it would need flaps, but this obviously already had flaps. My son believed, like, you know, he never got any hints, and very nice in the back here. Some shoulder cushions. It might definitely save. You know, I generally wear a little bit of oil all up and down the front of my shirts, so I need to learn how to put it on. And maybe that's a bit much, but the idea is we're protecting our clothing, and this obviously is Hudson durable goods. They call it duck wool or duck. Wax canvas, there we go. Durable 16-ounce waxed canvas, professional commercial grade, padded straps, phone pocket, hammer loops, tool pockets, kangaroo hoodie pocket, kangaroo hoodie pocket. What's that mean? I guess that's here. Rivet enforced, double stitched. There it is. I think it's pretty freaking cool. So, I'm not allowed to feel this good because I have COVID. So, there might be a part 2 to this today with some machining. Actually might be some machining just in a second, but it'll be a couple hours before I actually do it. But you'll see it right away. Okay, guys. Okay, this is the final product. I polished it all I'm going to polish. Simple part, yes. This tip sticks, is visible from the front of the weapon. I kind of want whoever it's pointed at to be able to see the reflection. Now that's silly, he's just shooting at targets. Even though I have more material, I may make another one or two. I had to come in and do this feature here at the end, and less than ideal. Finish there. Did manage to get away a lot of the micro scratches with 1500 grit paper. Alrighty.